Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two of the biggest names in the wireless world, AT&T and T-Mobile. Which carrier is the better option for you in 2025? I'll break it down, comparing coverages, prices, perks, and more, so you can make an informed decision. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. Always do your own research before making a decision. First, let's take a look at the official websites for both providers to get an overview of what they actually offer. AT&T. As one of the largest wireless carriers in the US, AT&T offers a comprehensive range of plans including unlimited data options, 5G coverage, and an extensive 4G LTE network. What sets AT&T apart is its strength in rural areas, offering better coverage and more competitors. If you're someone who travels a lot, AT&T's vast coverage can ensure you have a connection nearly anywhere or everywhere. However, a downside is that AT&T doesn't offer many perks, so if you're looking for bonuses like streaming subscriptions or upgrades, you might not find much here. Well, let's talk about T-Mobile. On the other hand, T-Mobile has made a name for itself with its massive 5G network, currently the largest in the country. If 5G speeds are the top priority for you, T-Mobile is hard to beat. While the majority of its 5G is low band, it still delivers faster speeds than standard 4G LTE. Plus, T-Mobile is also known for offering premium perks with its plans like streaming subscriptions and yearly phone upgrades. You'll even get in-flight Wi-Fi on some of its higher tier plans, but all these perks come with a higher price tag. So if you're on a tight budget, T-Mobile might not be the best choice. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of each? For AT&T, it is more affordable plans for those on a budget, wider coverage, especially in rural areas, so you'll get a connection in more places, and strong 4G LTE network and good overall reliability. While its disadvantages are fewer perks like streaming services or free upgrades, and more expensive and higher tier plans, and the perks are not as robust as T-Mobile's. While T-Mobile's advantages are best 5G network in the country, ensuring faster speeds and future-proofing your phone. Awesome perks like free streaming services, in-flight Wi-Fi, and yearly phone upgrades. And strong customer service and benefits for loyal customers. While its disadvantages are higher pricing, especially for premium plans, which can be a deal breaker for those looking for a budget option. And 5G coverage is not as widespread in rural areas compared to AT&T. So which is better? It really depends on what you need. If you're looking for a more affordable plan with great coverage, especially in rural areas, AT&T could be the way to go. They're the better choice if you travel a lot and need consistent service in remote locations. On the other hand, if you prioritize widespread 5G coverage and want premium perks like streaming subscriptions and phone upgrades, then T-Mobile might be the better fit, but be prepared for higher prices. According to Azaloud, AT&T is a better choice for people seeking a budget-friendly option, while T-Mobile takes the crown for premium benefits and 5G speeds. In conclusion, both AT&T and T-Mobile offer solid options, but it really comes down to your personal needs. For those on a budget who value wide coverage, AT&T wins. But if you're looking for top-tier perks and the best 5G network, T-Mobile takes the lead. And that's it for today's review. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.